Yo, what's happening? It's your boy, Wall Street Player. How you guys doing? I know it's been a while that I made a video, but I feel like I needed to, take some time to work on my everything that I've been working on. And I have great news for you guys. My credit is going up, and it's still going up. So last time I got on here, I was a little higher than this. So basically my journey started in the beginning of the year. And then so on January 16th, I got the numbers right there so I won't forget. January 16th, I was at 518 and 529 credit scores. And as of yesterday, not yesterday, but as of 219, which is a couple days ago, today's 222. And as of 219, I was at 573 and 619. So I'm almost like 90 points up on my credit in a little bit over than a month. Like about a month and 10 days, give or take. So I'm really excited about that, everything that I've been doing. And so instead of being Wall Street Player, I think I'm going to change this to credit player because I'm playing the system the way it should be. And I want to give thanks to the homie Rodrigo Hercules. He's like, I follow him on social media. You want to follow him too, I'll put his thing right here and or in the comments or whatever, but it's our Hercules _ and he gives a lot of great advice and great ideas and just different ways that you can work with your credit to make it happen. Again, I'm almost 40 and I have shitty ass credit, as you can tell. I started with 518 and 529. Now I'm at 573 and 619. So my credit is going up, and I'm really excited about that. So yeah, I just want to jump on here and let you guys know that I have not given up, even though I haven't posted a video in a while. No excuses. Just been really busy at work, working 6 days a week, just all over the place. I'm still doing the Freshly. This is my fourth. Today's Monday, February 22nd. So tomorrow will be my fourth delivery of Freshlies. They're pretty good for the most part. Most of them are really good. I feel less bloated. I really haven't lost that much weight. I haven't really been paying attention to it again. I lose more weight when I work out and stuff like that. I just haven't. You can make the time if you want, but I haven't made the time. I've been working again. I've been working like 10-hour days, 6 days a week. So it's like I'm exhausted by the time I get off of work, and I just want to chill, stuff like that. But again, no excuses. I'm still eating the Freshly, so I don't feel as like fat and bloated, but I still look it. But again, I just want to come and give you guys an update on the my credit. And I don't know if you guys want me to tell you guys what I'm doing. Like give you guys a little bit more breakdown of what I'm doing, which I'll probably do in the next video. This is probably just an update to show you guys what I'm doing is working, because I feel like sometimes like I can tell you this is what I'm doing, but if I don't have the results, like why am I even telling you guys, or like you guys don't even care? But this is legit working, like what I've been doing. Like you can see, I'll show you guys the screenshots of my credit score from January 16th all the way to February 19th, you know what I mean? So my credit has just been going up, and it's very easy, you know what I mean? There's a plan, there's a rhyme, there's a reason of how I do it, when I do it, and it's been working out. So again, I guess I'll post part 2 of this video right here, so this one's not too long, and I'll let you guys know what I'm doing. Again, it's your Wall Street Player right here. I'm still right here. Again, I'm still doing what I'm doing. I'm still focused, and I'm still on my journey to financial freedom, right? We're starting from zero, from the corner of my parents' house. Again, I pay rent. I pay bills. I don't just live here. The corner of my parents' house to financial freedom 2021. Very excited. Hope you guys, if you guys haven't, make sure you guys follow, subscribe, like, comment, and we're gonna keep going. All right, have a good day. I'm out. Peace.